You are not sharing me, so why must I share you? No, sorry.
I don't want somebody that's shorter than me. Like, at least be like at the same level. Okay, I'll go for taller guys. Let me not lie. I'll go for taller guys.
I've never been with someone younger than me. Even people my age are still immature. They still no shade, but like they still we going through things, experiencing things at the same level. So
Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to yet another episode. Yes, where we walk and we talk, we dive deep into the hearts and mind of beautiful ladies around. So today I'm with
should I?
Shade. Can you kindly?
Oh, sorry.
And I'm with
Should I?
Alia.
Alia. Wow, that's great. So how are you guys doing?
We
We're
good.
good.
You're good.
Yeah, we're great.
Ah, that's amazing. So where are you from?
I'm from Cape Town.
Cape Town. Where are you from?
Also came from Cape Town.
Cape Town. Okay, that's great. So I've got some simple questions for you
Mhm.
guys. Yes. What are the most attractive things in a man?
For me personally, I would say height because I'm a tall girl. But I wouldn't say personality because anyone's personality can change whenever. Looks, I like what I like. I would say character. Character, are you loyal? Are you honest? Do you have integrity? Stuff like that. So character.
Wow. How
I would
about
say
you?
hygiene.
Oh, yo.
Like
Hell yeah.
hygiene. Like for example, if I look at your nails. No, honestly, if I look at your nails and I see stuff in there and I'm like you can't be a guy and have long nails because I'm also gonna
And
put
they're
nails
pinky.
and then what?
They're
Yes, that
pinky, yeah.
like why are people? And I would say like the way he carries himself. Like I don't want to see you walking like this is me. You know, you must be like calm. Must be decent, you know.
And mindset, the way someone thinks as well. I'm very attracted to that, the way a guy can think.
Yeah, the way he thinks. The first when you start a conversation, definitely.
Yeah.
So to what extent does confidence matter in a man?
To what extent?
Like I would say you must be confident, but like don't be that confident. You know, that's arrogant. Like you want to be that person in the room. Everyone must look at you while you're talking. Like you want to
You
be
always
that
have
person.
to be in the
center of
limelight.
attention.
But confidence, you can be confident and shy at the same time. I don't mind. But like she says, arrogance, no. It's not a thing.
So do you go for somebody who is more artistic?
I don't go for somebody. I don't go looking for someone. I feel that's the first thing. If you're looking for someone, no, because you're not gonna find what you're looking for at the end of the day.
Okay.
But sorry, repeat your question one more
Yes,
time.
I was gonna say that.
Are you gonna go for somebody who is more artistic or scientific?
It
I like
depends.
autistic.
Autistic, because autistic is more creative. Scientific is more like standard, I think.
I'm not sure actually.
You're not sure. So you're gonna go for somebody who's introverted or extroverted?
Introverted.
Introverted for sure.
I don't like a guy that's out there.
Mm.
Like that's a guy that's out there. Everybody knows. Oh, this is the guy. When he comes there, we already know. Oh, we know who that guy is. No.
Almost like a Wi-Fi hotspot. Everyone
Yeah,
has
everyone
a connection
knows.
with him.
Yeah, everyone knows him.
Introvert.
Which
Introvert.
leads us to our next question. Would you go for somebody who has got a lot of female friends?
I would say I have two answers for that question. First of all, I'm not insecure. I don't care if you know every female friend, but do you have a connection? Do you have a certain type of relationship with each of their female friends? Then I'm gonna have a problem. Because you're only supposed to have a relationship with me. But I feel like you can't control who you're friends with at the end of the day. Whether it's female, whether it's male, whether it's more female, whether it's more male. But I feel like it's fundamental that you only have a certain type of relationship with me and it's different to your friends. That's what makes it like a romantic relationship. So yeah.
How about you, Ali?
Ali.
No, the thing is like, it depends how many female friends you have. Like you can't have like 5 female friends and then have like 2 guy friends. Like you know,
Okay.
I don't want. I don't know, but like I just don't like a guy with a lot of female friends. Honestly, respectfully, like it has to be like a certain number. Don't have like 10 females and then you have like 1 guy bestie. What are you doing like with the other 10? You know? Yeah.
So you're gonna go for short guys or,
Yeah.
or taller?
Yeah.
You yourself.
height doesn't matter, but I don't want somebody that's shorter than me. Like, at least be like at the same level. Okay, I'll go for taller guys. Let me not lie. I'll go for taller guys. But don't be like a pole, you know? Don't be like that. Sorry. Don't, no, sorry. Don't, like, be tall, but, like, be a reasonable tall.
Okay.
Like, you can't control your height, but, like, I won't go for someone that's, like, up there, like, now.
Long distance.
Long distance. You need a pole.
So that would be a long distance.
Yeah.
Okay, on a long distance one, what's your take on a long distance relationship?
I've never been in a long distance relationship, so I would say I don't have any experience in that. But I don't want to say I'm open to trying it because I honestly I don't know. But for the most, some people it works out with them. So some people are successful, some aren't. But me personally, I can't really answer that because I've never been in a long distance relationship. If the only long distance is down the street, that's fine enough. For me. We don't. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. But
How
I
about
can't
you,
answer.
Alia?
The thing is, I would try it because I'm gonna be faithful. I'm gonna try and say, okay, you're also gonna be faithful to me. So I would try it, but like it depends how long the distance is. Because you know, if you're gonna speak to someone that's overseas, the time zones
No.
they're gonna clash. You know, I would try it. I'll give the next person the benefit of the doubt that they're not being unfaithful.
How do you feel about men who is emotionally sensitive?
Okay, I like vulnerability. I like when you show me, okay, you sad right now, you mad right now, you happy right now. Don't be mute. Don't let me guess. Don't let me smile. Okay, what are you feeling? What? No.
Communication.
Yes, communicate with me. Let me know how you feel. So I feel like if men are emotionally sensitive, it shouldn't be something that they should be ashamed of. They should express it more, and so that we as women can also understand. Okay, you moody today. You're not moody. What's the vibe? So I think it's something that they shouldn't be ashamed or embarrassed of. They shouldn't hide it away. They should let it more out so we can understand them more. So yeah.
What's your take on men that are emotionally sensitive?
I mean, we are all humans. We all have feelings. So at the end of the day, you could be hurt. I want you to show me that you are hurt. You are
Cry,
happy.
Suma.
Cry. Yeah, take the
Show me
tears
the
out. I don't
tears.
mind. I'm not gonna say, "Oh my God, you're so sensitive." No, I want you to show me what you're
Cry.
feeling, so that I could be like, "Okay, next time I'm not gonna do that." If you don't show me and act like a break, then I'm gonna do the same thing again because you're not
Exactly.
speaking. You know, so be yourself. Be vulnerable. Speak. Communicate. Then we trolled.
Would you go for a man who like pets so much?
Pets.
Yeah.
Yes, cats. Cats, definitely.
Cats, same.
Okay. So you
But
also
nothing of snakes and,
Yeah, boy,
we don't do that this side.
Like
And
domestic
insects
animals,
and rats.
roaches,
We keep it at
domestic
dogs,
animals,
at dogs
Yeah.
and cats. What else? Maybe a bird.
fish. Yes.
Okay.
Hamster.
no snakes.
No snakes, please. No hojas. No. You said those
Yeah,
those
these
people
people
that
have
keep
roaches.
cockroaches. We don't do that here. But
Okay.
yeah.
So do you think it's important for a man to be a good cook?
Yes, because cooking is a basic human skill. It's not like you're a woman, you must know how to cook. So what's gonna happen when I'm not there? Are you gonna go call another woman to cook for you? Are you gonna go order takeaway? Like it's a basic skill. You must know every human, male, female. You must know how to do basic stuff. You must know how to wash your clothes. You must know how to. I will do it for you, but like you must also know how. Like don't expect me to come. I went out
Don't
with
be
my
too
friends. You laying
dependent.
there. You're not cooking. I will. Like if I'm busy somewhere, like I'm in the bathroom, I'm outside. I want you to be able to like stir the pot, know what's going on, add some spices. Don't wait for me and be like, oh, I didn't know what.
What's your take on men who smoke weed?
Okay, I don't smoke. So that cough. I don't smoke. So being with someone who smokes, I have been with a guy who smokes weed before, and I've seen the damage it's caused on him, on his well-being. It's almost like he was dependent on that thing, dependent on the
Yeah.
substance. That's where I'm like, you know what, we draw the line here, because you don't know how to control yourself, you don't know how to stop yourself. So, and I'm not saying everyone is like that, but I'm just saying the person that I was with, they were like that. So personally, I
It's a
wouldn't
no.
I wouldn't be with someone who smokes weed. I don't even like cigarettes, to be honest. Like
Oh, the
smoking,
smell.
like it's just. But I mean, if you can handle yourself, if it's prescription, then I guess. But if it plays on your mental state and it's like you go cuckoo side, then
Yeah.
we no
Then that
no
will be it.
that would be it, Sharm.
Okay. What's your take on men who has got a lot of piercing or tattoos around their body?
First of all, my religion is very unhalal, very haram, so I don't do it. And I'm gonna marry someone that's in my religion, so that's it.
Okay. Would you marry somebody significantly younger than you?
I don't go for guys. Okay, I don't date guys or I don't see people who are younger than me. But I mean, if it's in God's will and that's the plan, then I guess, yeah. But I don't, my age, I'm not going to reveal my age, but from my age, 3 years up, that's normally my, yeah. So younger than me, I've never been with someone younger than me. Even people my age are still immature. They still, no shade, but like they still, we're going through things, experiencing things at the same level. So imagine I go for someone who's younger than me, they're still gonna have to catch up. But in other cases, you do get people who are younger, who are more mature, they have more understanding of things. But me personally, no, I wouldn't date someone who's younger than me. But yeah,
Would you?
I mean, it depends. Be 2 years younger than me. Like, you know, some people's maturity levels differ. So you could be like, you could be younger than me and still like think
yeah,
correctly.
true.
So I don't mind.
Actually, I
But
take my answer
2
back.
years only.
I take
yeah,
my
2
answer
years.
back, but I leave my explanation.
As it
But
is.
my answer, I can't give an answer, no. But my explanation stays the same.
Good for you, girl.
Could you go for a man who is more adventurous or who has got a stable routine?
Adventurous. Adventurous, because I want to go on spontaneous dates. I don't want you to be like, oh, today's Wednesday. On Wednesdays, I have to cook and clean, so I'm not going to go out. Tomorrow is Friday. No, I want to be like, okay, like I don't feel like cooking tonight. He's going to be like, okay, babe, let's go eat out. You know, because if he's on routine, he's going to be like, nope, no going out. It's Wednesday.
I get it. Could you go for a man who has got children?
Hey! No comment. No, I wouldn't. No, no, I'm
Depends how
sorry.
many children.
Depends, true. It depends.
And like, were you
Depends is my
married or did you
answer.
just like have a kid out of nowhere?
Yeah.
If you have a kid out of nowhere, no.
No.
But if you are married and maybe divorce happened while you had kids,
There's understanding there,
Yeah.
co-parenting, all those things.
don't be
but
like 20
just
and you're
boom.
like a baby or baby father. What is it called? Baby daddy?
Baby daddy.
Of like 3 kids with 3
oh
different
hell no.
First of all, I don't date, so
Okay. So this one is not directly on you, but it's on other girls. As your girls, I know you'll be talking and saying a lot of things. Why do you think a lot of girls like older men? Why do you think it's such like that?
it goes back to that question, maturity levels, you know? You don't want to
Yeah.
be with a younger guy and he's going to be like, you know, some younger guys are just like, let me be honest. Apparently, I'm not speaking of my experience. Some women or girls like to be controlled. You know, we want the guy to take charge, like be there. Like, nah, I can't be controlled by someone that's like.
Okay, alright. Yeah, let's go.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
But I feel like it's very important. Figures, role models in your life plays a role in that question, because if they don't, I'm not saying all girls, I'm not saying all girls, but I feel like if they don't have that strong foundation father figure, they're gonna go looking for it in an older guy. So I'm not saying all girls. I myself come from a single parent home, but I didn't turn out to going to older men. So I feel like I shouldn't stereotype and just pluck it on everyone and say no, if they don't have a father in their life, blah, blah. No, it's just I feel like that's just one of the main reasons why young girls go for older men. I don't know, there can be other aspects, money maybe. Maybe for the experience, they want to see what it's like.
And
so
what they like.
I don't know the definite answer. So, but yeah.
So still on the aspect of money, how important is financial stability in a relationship?
I'm gonna refer to my religion for this because it's very important. Okay, let me use for example. I grew up having like I didn't have to struggle for like for example, if I want to buy this, I could buy. I don't want to go like if I wanted to buy maybe McDonald's, It's easy to get. Now I'm gonna marry someone. I have to be like, oh babe, we please go buy Lay's? Oh no, we have to give the money for bread. You know, according to my religion, a man is supposed to be financially responsible for the woman. So, for example, if I don't want to work, it's okay according to me. He has to. He doesn't have a choice. Once he marries me, and I move out of my parents' house, he's supposed to cater for me the way my parents catered for me more. You understand what I'm saying? So it's very important. Like it's very important. Like I don't expect you to be like a billionaire or have money, but like at least I shouldn't be able to be like I shouldn't be able to how do I put this in words? To struggle for the basic needs.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
The
saying?
essentials.
I would work, I can work, I will work, but like it's very important for the other guy also because he's the man of the house, so he must look after like me, the kids, household
And
finances.
babies are expensive. Yeah.
You see,
So
that's so true. Do you think it's important for a man to be well groomed?
yes, definitely. Like she said about hygiene, definitely.
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 To what extent from a scale from 0 to 10?
200.
What? Wait, what?
You can't.
Mm.
I feel like if you go outside, you wash, you do what you
Be
need
like
to do,
normal,
groom yourself, look nice,
Like it's a
look
basics. You don't
decent.
have to go out to like cut your nails, clip your nails, brush your hair,
But-
like you know.
Just the because washing and stuff, it's a
It's normal.
basic thing. It's essential. You need to do it every day. So I can't be with someone who's stinking or. So being well groomed.
Like I can understand if you
important.
showered in the morning and now you're going to work and it's on a hot day and you're sweaty, you come back. I could understand that, but don't wake up and be sweaty and go out with that
Aye,
same.
sis,
You know,
man.
let people sweat during the day. It gets hot. I would understand that hot. Just don't wake up with that same. You know.
But being well groomed is very important. Sorry, very important.
Do you believe in soulmates?
In what?
Swan pets.
Yeah, the concept of having a soulmate.
What is? Oh, a soulmate.
Soulmate.
A soulmate.
Wait, what's the question?
Do you believe in a soulmate?
How do a soulmate is someone who's meant to be? No?
Who's meant to be with you? Yeah.
Yes.
Somebody that you are emotionally connected with.
You
can't
can-
even do anything
No.
outside themselves.
I'm gonna disagree with you on that one because I feel like nowadays people are confusing being emotionally connected to someone. They're confusing it with attachment. So my thing is, you can think you're emotionally connected with someone and you just attach and you just detach at the end of the day. So, but to believe in a soulmate, I'm just gonna say everything happens for a reason. If you're meant to be with that person, you're meant to be with that person. But I feel like it can be kind of like delusional to think there is someone for you. There's some people who are old, they're not married, they're single. So to believe in a soulmate, I don't know. I'm just gonna say everything happens for a reason, and what's meant to be is meant to be. So yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What's your take on men who are so passionate about sports?
It's okay, good for you. Do what you like. I will do what I like. Yeah. But don't be that guy like we're watching now. And then like now your team loses, now you're not gonna talk to me.
Yo.
Like for example, let's say I'm a United fan.
Angry at the
you are a
whole
Liverpool
world.
fan. Now United wins, but we know United always loses. Now you don't wanna talk to me. I go
Oh my goodness.
sorry. Now you don't wanna talk to me, all of a sudden we're quiet in the house. I must be like, hey, what's wrong?
Yeah, true.
Do you want a man who is more talkative or more reserved?
You're reserved.
Reserved, yeah.
Like if you're talkative, be with me, but like don't go everywhere and you're like yep. I know, like yep
True.
the whole time. Like be reserved, talk, but don't be like, you know, like in a taxi there's those people in the morning, they're always yapping like
Early
you
in
just-
the AM.
yeah, you know, like talk but be reserved. Don't yap the whole day. Like if you want to yap with me, it's okay, I don't mind.
Gangsters move in silence.
Would you date somebody from a different cultural background from yours?
Yes, I would. And I have.
You have.
I have.
Okay. Would you date somebody with a different religious background from yours?
Religion, no, that's not even allowed for women to marry outside of the religion. In my religion, because I mean, women have a lot of rights. So, like, if you're gonna marry someone, for example, that's not. If I'm gonna marry someone that's not Muslim, he's not gonna understand my rights. They'll be like, no, but why must I do that? You're not gonna do that. So, religion is very important for me. Like, I would do with culture, yes, but not religion. You have to be Muslim to marry me. Definitely.
Okay. So, what's your opinion on a man who is very career focused?
Career focused. It's good. You must
Yeah.
have a goal. You must have motivation. You must have something which is driving you to get to where you want to be. So I feel like that's very good. If you focus like that, no, definitely.
Yeah.
How about you?
Yes, be career focused, but don't be so focused that you don't have time for me.
True.
Don't be so focused that like now you're forgetting, oh, I have a wife back at home. I have kids back at home. I must get this IT thing.
Yeah.
What about us? Like we're still here. Hello. You know what I'm saying?
This one is connected to this one. You go for a workaholic.
A workaholic. No, man.
How
No.
about you?
No, I feel like it will just mess up the whole relationship.
mess up
There's
everything.
no way to go back, no way to recover from that. So
Like you're always busy at work. Like I also work, but you
Work
don't
is
see me
work.
being busy like that. Like it's not like you're the first
you're not
person to
supposed
get
to
a job.
even have time for
Yeah,
that
bro.
at work. So
What's your take on a man who is more into fitness and health?
Good for
that's
you.
good. I
Be
mean, your health
healthy.
is important at the end of the day. Fitness important.
Exercising.
Exercise is
important.
important. So
But don't involve me and be like, don't eat cake. I don't
yeah,
eat cake.
don't be like that.
I
now.
will go
Hey,
in gym with you and be like a fitness fanatic with you, but like don't say no.
don't force me to do
Yeah,
something I
but
don't
like
want to do.
only eat this. This has too much fats.
Too much calories, what. But I feel like it's a good thing to practice, good things to exercise. Health is very important. If you're looking out for my health, then thank you.
Good
But
job.
do not force me to go to the gym and don't eat this, like she says. So yeah. I'm not a cheater, but I think other girls cheat because maybe they're not they're not getting what they want anymore. Maybe they get bored. They're not sustained, or something is missing, or maybe simply their partner just doesn't love them or care for them the way that they want to, so they go look for it somewhere else. So yeah.
What's your thought on that?
I think, when communication is not there, or when you keep on asking somebody to be like this, like you're asking them, for example, I don't like when you do this. And then they say, okay. Then next week they do it again. I don't like when you do this. And they say, okay. When they do that, you get bored
Yeah.
and you're going to leave them. Like, I think lack of communication, basically.
True.
Like, you must be able to communicate. Like, and also when your partner says this, listen to what they're saying. And don't just listen so that you can act upon it, so that you can remember,
Yes.
okay, maybe my girlfriend doesn't like when I'm out with this girl, for example. Maybe my girlfriend doesn't like, and act upon it. Don't just say, okay, this, and then you leave it like that.
Yeah, true.
So that's one.
100%.
Probably. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah.
100%.
What is your dream vacation country?
That's difficult because there's so many places in the world I want to go.
Yeah, you can list them all. It's fine.
I definitely want to go to the UK for sure.
Why?
The
Sorry.
UK because like Central C is there.
Who's that?
Hypo, the rapper. No, I'm joking. But I would want to go to. I would love to go to Greece. The UK.
UK.
Also like Asian countries as well, like Singapore, Thailand.
Here you go, girl.
America's a bit too overrated, but I would want to go there one
They're
day.
very problematic.
They're very like everyone wants to go to
Very
America.
problematic.
Yeah, and Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe, yes.
It's Zimbabwe. I like it. Why Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwe because I'm half Zimbabwean, so I also want to explore my roots and
Go,
just
girl.
get more knowledge about that because I've never been there to Zim. So yeah,
You've never been to Zimbabwe ever
I've
since you were
never,
born.
ever since I was born, all my years walking on this earth, I've never been. So yeah, I would want to go one day.
So, given that you have gone to Zimbabwe, visited Zimbabwe, do you have other places that are on your mind that you're gonna visit?
Like the ones I said, like, oh, you mean when I'm in Zimbabwe? I don't know Zimbabwe. I don't know.
Don't know
So
any tourist
no.
Not even the first.
The Victoria Falls. Okay, I've heard about that, but like
Yeah.
I don't know everything about Zimbabwe. So that's why I would want to go there one day
And
and
explore.
explore.
How about you? Your dream country to visit or destinations, if there are a lot.
Have you guys ever heard about Makkah? Like Saudi
Mecca,
Arabia?
I knew.
Yes, did you know?
I
Yeah, I know
knew.
because like as Muslims, like that's the place you want to go to.
Yeah.
Like when you hear Makkah, you want to go there. You know, it's in Saudi Arabia. Besides that, I want to go to Switzerland because I
Oh.
like views. You know, they always have like the nature there. It's always snowing. I like cold places. Like I want to experience snow so bad. I feel like if I go to Switzerland,
Yes.
that would be the place. And I like water. You know, like they have like nice rivers.
Mm.
They have like the countryside there. Definitely. Only. I don't know about other places.
Given that today you caught your boyfriend cheating, what would you do?
How did we jump from the places now to back to boyfriends? Mm.
Guys, I've never dated before. So, like, what? Was everyone looking at me like this? I'm not lying. But, like, if I do see him, I'm just going to be like, okay, I'll just make sure he sees me and then I'll walk away. I won't cause a scene. Like, what are you doing? I'll make sure he sees me with his girlfriend or whatever that person is. I'll even greet them and I'll walk away.
Just
I'm not a person that
can
will,
you
like-
repeat the question one more time?
If you get your boyfriend cheating on you right now,
Mm.
what are your initial reaction? What do you do?
My thing is, it's on him. Because I shouldn't feel any guilt. I did nothing wrong.
But you're not
But-
going to feel it.
I will feel sadness. Maybe I'll feel like, wow, betrayal. But
Why
I
me?
feel,
Sorry.
but honestly, I won't act upon it. I won't act upon my crazy
Yeah.
thoughts, because at the end of the day, you need to find peace. If you're gonna hold a grudge and you're gonna do things, go out of your way, invest negative energy, you yourself, you won't be happy. Even though he hurt you, you will be more sad, whatever. So my thing is, I will say like, let him see me. Okay, you're doing what you're doing,
Hi.
walk away.
Bye.
Because I will be his greatest loss. That's just the mindset, I think. Like, don't still, if they cheat, I let them cheat. Shame.
Like, I don't like drama. I'm not going to say that's my
I like
boyfriend.
drama, but
I'm we fighting over him. Like,
no.
I'm like, no, what you doing?
And if someone treats you like an option, you let them have the other person, because why am I an option in the first place? Yeah, bro. So I leave them, shame. Drop them like a hot potato.
Yes.
Can you marry a man with? Can you be a second wife?
Yeah.
The thing is, let me tell, this is allowed in my religion, right? A man is allowed to marry up to 4. But what you give the first wife, you must also give the second wife. Like, if you're going to buy her a Mercedes, buy for me a Mercedes also, you know? But even though it's allowed, I don't think I'll be able to do that. Like, I can't share, like,
No, definitely
no, man.
not.
Like, I want him, if I get married to somebody, I want him for myself alone, you know? I don't want him, like, I know he's with the other wife. Like, I know they're going to be doing their stuff. Then when you come back, you're going to come to me also.
Yeah. No, no.
It is
allowed, but no.
I'm your one and only wife, and till death do us part. You're not gonna. No.
Good job.
No.
You-
Us part.
Yes.
Yes.
Not gonna go in.
I'm not sharing you because you are not sharing me. So why must I share you? No. Sorry.
Wow, this was one of the best vlogs that I've ever done. It has been so exciting. So, you guys, do you have any people that you want to just say shout out or something like that?
I was going to watch this first.
Everybody's gonna watch.
Can we tell them Renisha hi?
Renisha. Okay. So our campus friends, basically. Oh, we're not gonna say out their names. So
Our
there's
campus friends.
our campus friends. They know who they are.
I hope my brother and my sister sees this. And my cousin.
I hope everyone who needs to see this sees this. So yeah.
Guys, I'm out.